Living abroad should never stop you from owning safe and verified properties back home. Hello real estate family, welcome back to the channel. One of the biggest fear many Cameroonians abroad have is this: how can I safely buy land in Cameroon without being scammed? Today I shall show you the safest way to invest in land in Cameroon while abroad. Step 1. Work with trusted professionals and verified projects. Avoid random street agents or emotional pressure sales. Step 2. Verify all land documents. Land title verification is extremely important before making any payment. Step 3. Request videos, site inspection, and property boundaries. Technology now makes it very easy for smart investors in the diaspora to inspect land remotely. Step 4. Choose strategic areas with high development potentials. Buea remains one of the strongest real estate zones because of the high growth potentials, population, and future demand. This is the reason why many people are now investing in Biaka Legacy Estate in Bukwango. The estate offers secure investment with land title documents for affordable enterprises of 3.5 million francs CFA to 5 million francs CFA. This alone gives diaspora investors more confidence and transparency. And mind you, Biaka hospital owners already own 2 hectares piece of land there at Biaka Estate, which means future migration of Biaka Hospital. If you are abroad and looking for secured and safe investment opportunity here in the city of Buea, then contact me via the numbers on your screen or send me a message directly on WhatsApp via the numbers on your screen for site videos, site inspections, and verified land option. Thank you very much for watching this video. I remain Musa Buba, a trusted real estate consultant here in the city of Buea, southwest region of Cameroon. And see you on the next one.